Hi everyone, Christopher Paul here from Kassandra.org. Today we're going to learn about user groups in Kassandra. User groups are a powerful feature that lets you control access to products by organizing team members into groups. Let's open the user menu and switch to the user groups page. This menu item is only visible to administrators. This is the user groups page. Here you can create groups like development team, QA team, or product owners. Instead of granting product access to individual users one by one, you can grant access to a group, and all members automatically inherit that access. The grid shows the group name, description, how many members are in each group, and when it was created and last updated. Let me show you how to create a new user group. We want to create a backend developers group for our engineering team. Let's click the Create button to open the group dialog. First, we enter the group name. This is how the group will appear throughout Kassandra when setting up product access. Let's call it Backend Developers. Next, we add a description to explain the group's purpose. This helps other administrators understand who should be in this group. Now the important part, selecting the members. Let's add Kristen Hubble, Claudine Fick, and Randy Asmus to our Backend Developers group. These team members will automatically get access to any product that grants access to this group. Perfect. We'd selected 3 team members for our Backend Developers group. Now let's save to create our new user group. Excellent! Backend Developers now appears in our list with 3 members. Now we can use this group when setting up product access control. User groups make access control much easier. Instead of adding individual users to every product, you add the group once. When new team members join, just add them to the appropriate groups and they automatically inherit all the group's product access. You can edit group membership or details using the notepad icon, or delete groups using the trash can icon. Just be careful, if you delete a group, all products that granted access to that group will no longer be accessible to its members. The counter at the top shows you how many user groups currently exist in the system. As you create more groups, you can use the search filter to quickly find specific groups by typing their name or description. That's all there is to managing user groups in Kassandra. Create groups for your teams, add members, and use them to control product access efficiently. Thanks for watching.